In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up hotkeys on interactive brokers. Now currently, I'm on their IBKR desktop app, and you want to go over here on the left hand side, and you want to click on settings at the bottom left. Now when you do that, it's going to open up the settings, and then the second tab here on the left menu, it says hotkeys. You want to click on this, and then over here you can go ahead and basically set your hotkeys. So as you can see, you can first click reset all in case you've ever played with that, so we can then go ahead and customize them. But to set these up, it's actually very simple. You can see it says platform controls and then order entry. So we have two different options here. You have general and then you have tools. So these are basically a preset and you can't add any more than these. However, you can change them. So for example, over here it says delete row. You can just click on here and then it's going to say enter any non-modifier key or a combination of 1 to 2 modifiers or a 1 non-modifier key. So you could just go ahead and press any of the keys on your keyboard over here to set this as a new hotkey. So we could do, for example, Control 8 or Control whatever, or any of the other buttons. I'm just going to leave this as it is right now because I do not want to change it because I'm used to it. And then again, you can do this for any single one. Just click on it and then you can change it and it's basically going to do its magic. So for example, right now I set this to P over here, and that's going to work. Now let me reset that. There we go. And then you can also go to order entry, and in here you can do the exact same thing. You can just click on it and then you can configure the hotkey. So as you can see, you can go ahead and give it a name, you can go ahead and give it a type, etc. And you can change all these. Of course, as you can see, there's a bunch of different ones already preset, and you can also add a new one by clicking new custom hotkey. You can go ahead and select it. You can use any of these frequently used or not. You can give it a name. You can basically select which type it is and then the keystroke, and then you have to select all the actions, what they apply to, and then the order types, the prices of limits. Over here you also have quantities, stuff like that. So basically you can set anything and then set that as a hotkey you can then later use whenever you are trading inside the order entry. So that's how to set these up. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.